Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Traders. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos. And if you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button. And for the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is the number. So today, once again, the market has opened gap down. Again, no cover order, no bracket order, no margin. So you need full cash to trade. Again the same thing, so yeah, but still I just took some trades for pocket money. Hardly took this is my second trade, so one trade is already done, so I'll just show you guys. So this is my angel broking, in which I took S Bank. I thought of taking this for position. I took 1500 shares, if you see over here, but it went up 35.65. okay, so almost it's a big movement, so therefore I made a profit of around 3975, close to 4000 rupees. I made a profit. So now the thing is, I think in S Bank certain condition is there that if you buy S Bank above 100 shares, only 75% of the shares something you can sell after 3 years. So 3 years it is locked. So who will wait till 3 years? I mean, the amount what I'm putting after 3 years, I don't think so it will make any sense for me to get that profit. So I thought 4000 rupees on an investment of close to, I think 50,000 rupees is what I traded in this CNC, cash and carry. So I got almost 4000 rupees, so that's a great move. So if you see 33 and 35, so 2 rupees 65 paisa, right? So let's take a calculator here. All right, so 2 rupees 65 paisa divided by 33 rupees was the buy price, right? Into 100, whatever. So I have actually hit 8% on this particular stock. Okay, it's a 8%. So there is no margin for S Bank and there is no margin for other stocks also as of now because of the market condition. But you see, this is without margin. So if it was margin, then it would have been 39,000 or else 60,000, close to 80,000 profit if this was 10 times or 20 times margin. But I have hit 8 times on the stock over here. In Zerodha I was doing on BPCL. I have taken around 374.24 and currently it is 377. So almost, how much is this? 0.68%, 0.66% up it is. So it is more than 0.3% actually. So there is no margin, guys. There is no 10 times, 20 times. So remember that. Beginners won't understand what exactly I'm saying, but most of them will understand. There is no margin. So still we have to do some trading just to know what's happening in the market. So I'm just taking some trades, my personal trades. Commodity from morning it is going a bit sideways. There is no much volume. Even crude oil, that is open negative today, 2.8% now if you see. So I don't want to take trade because the movements are not, it is going sideways, too much of sideways. Within this range only it is going. It is not breaking out and going in one direction. So therefore commodity I have not taken a trade. Still it's still morning. What's the time? 10:12. okay, so I don't want to take a chance. And this one I'm just waiting, I'm just scalping whatever money I'm getting, pocket money I'm taking out. Basically I do more of positional trades in angel broking. Just for saving money I just buy some stocks and put as a positional. But you know how the market has come down, all the positionals are in negative. So that's the reason I'm always not interested in positional. Sometimes yeah, when I scalp out 5%, 6% from the stock I exit. But during these situations, you know, the motivation of positional trading or long-term trading will go off when market goes like this. So that's the reason I like more of intraday compared to positional. But anyways, you can't put all the money in intraday always, right? So big monies you have to put in positional. So anyways, let's see when the market corrects whether positions come up or not. So this 1.24, 0.27, very much fluctuating. it actually went up. I didn't exit. So if you see, it has gone up to 379, but I didn't check that. Now it has taken a dip over here. If you see the market for today, let's apply candlestick. Okay, so this is how the market has opened. You see a gap down over here, again a gap down, and then from there it went a little bit down, and now it's going up. So it is trading in the same range. Now if I draw also, let's say horizontal line, so this is the morning range, and let's say this is the lowest range from morning. So now currently it is going in the same range. Okay, not much upside breakout, not much side downside also breakout. So BPCL has created a resistance at this point. If you see this touched and come down, touched and come down. So somewhere here is the resistance. So this 2 times it is touching. Do not disturb me right now, guys. Okay, so this is how the breakout should happen, but you see the market only is not supporting, like I showed you. Market only is going in a side range. Okay, I hope market will go up again like other day. Yeah, SBI, where is my SBI? SBI I got in Angel Broking account, not in Zerodha. So my cards, SBI card is here. Thank God I got only 1 lot. So it was listed down actually. Okay, 755 is the price we gave, but it was listed down. It was listed somewhere here. You see this value, 661 somewhere it was listed, and thankfully it has gone up and up and up. So it has come now towards 755. You know, 755 is our buy price. Hopefully it should break that 755 and go. That will be a good thing, or else there is no point in taking this IPO. But thankfully it has come up to cost right now. Today is the listing day of this IPO, because we bought at 755. Normally people expect it will open at 800, 900, 1000 rupees like you see other IPO. But because of this global situation, you see how market is falling, Sensex and Nifty. Even this IPO, you know, didn't get a good start. It opened below. See, open was 661, which is not good for this particular IPO. Bad luck. But thankfully it is coming up like this. This is the buy price at which we got. IPO price 755 initial offer. So BPCL is going up. Go, 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 go. See, whenever I am looking into the market, always like this, you know, I am very careful. But when I use in mobile, that's the only disadvantage. I keep roaming around, I keep talking to people, I get phone, I check out Instagram, and I forget about my trade itself. So that is one risk in mobile. If you're using mobile, you should only use for trading. You should not have other accesses in your mobile, so you get diverted. System means what will happen, you don't have any other things, you will be always looking in numbers and you know what's happening to the market, different screens. So your concentration will be always on the numbers and all that. But I know most of the people can't sit in front of system, so that time we have to use mobile. But be very careful, like me, if you are losing your concentration, be very careful. Try to keep a separate mobile for this. It will be good, because you will be getting call in between. You will be getting your notifications. You check out your notification, WhatsApp, you keep chatting, and these numbers keeps changing. Now also the number is going up. Now I'm talking to you guys, but still I have practice of talking and looking into the market. So I'm just concentrating here also, I'm talking there also. Recently we made the video of live trade of, you know, looking at my system and talking and all that. So got a good number of views and a lot of people like this type of video. I know it's different from what we used to do, so we will do a mix of everything. Few days we'll do mobile, few days we'll do live trading and learning videos also we will do. Okay, 78.90. Okay, I'll show you guys. Come. Yahoo, 79. It came again, but high is 79.45. So it has a tendency to break the line which I drew, but it can touch twice. Oh, it opened up, but it has to sustain. That is the main thing, guys. It has to sustain above this line. If it's trading above this, good, but if it is coming down again from this line, then this is a strong resistance. Now if it is trading above this line becomes a support for us. 1.51%, 1.5, 1.4% on the stock, 1.6% on the stock. Okay, done. So we have finally exited this particular stock. So 1131 is the profit. Alright, the time is getting close to 10:22, so 10:30. So I have to go today to the hospital again to take my mom to remove the stitches. So I think I will not be able to concentrate, so I have to go get ready, eat my food and all this. So I'll end the trade. So we will end it by a good note, 3,975 without leverage. It's okay, end of the day 1 rupee is also a profit, so I'm happy. I don't have that greediness factor. So, and here we have 1,000 here, so almost 4,000, 5,000 rupees profit today. It's a great percentage when the market is so much volatile and you don't have leverages to trade. People normally, beginners should not trade during this period. It's very dangerous. Yes, CNCs, you have to trade in CNC only, but in the afternoon they will say cover order, bracket order is open. So during that time be very careful, don't just blindly jump in and take a trade. Stick to your rules, okay? And commodity, no, still now there is no much volume and all, so let's ignore commodity because we got money here. Because wherever you get money you have to take and run. That is the main goal of intraday. Intraday is not like what you did is right. Whatever you experimented happened, so you are lucky, take the money and get out. So that is the main idea here. Alright, so I will try to do some learning video for you guys from tomorrow onwards or something. I'll try to make learning video because I have my personal trading classes from Tuesday and Wednesday. I have classes, so I may trade or may not trade. So during that time I'll try to record a video, pre-record video, some learning videos for you guys, so that you can also look into the market and apply that in practice. I know the market is volatile now, but later when market settles also you can keep learning those things. Anyways, time is done. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please do hit that like. Thank you so much for all those likes and nice comments. I like nice comments and likes and all that. So thank you so much for all those, and that is motivating me to do more of videos like this. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.